In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Waze on a motorcycle. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Waze can be configured to be used with any sort of vehicle. So to change this, open Waze, and if you see this option here, select vehicle type, then you can tap on it to change. But if this doesn't appear, then what you can do is open the menu at the top left, so tap on the menu. In here, go over to settings, and on all of these categories, under driving preferences, you will find vehicle details. So now you are able to switch the vehicle type. So tap on the first option and you will find private, taxi, and finally motorcycle. When you tap on motorcycle, all of the routes will be adjusted, and that's basically it. When you close this down, the vehicle type will be set up and you will be good to go. Once again, you can tap on this option here above the search function, and you can also quickly go to the navigation settings. So motorcycle will be selected. Get routes great for motorcycles. You can change the preferred gas type, the license plate, toll and HOV passes. You can enable the option to avoid toll roads, and then more routing options. But as long as you selected the vehicle type as motorcycle, then you are good to go. You don't need to set up anything else, and everything will be adjusted to cater to best routes for motorcycles. You will also have the option to go back to private at any time, so you just swipe to the left and tap OK, and you will be back to a private vehicle. But if all you want to do is set it to motorcycles only, then just choose it from here, tap OK, and then feel free to input any location. Now, before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality videos, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.